সকলকে শুভেচ্ছা। আজকে একটু লাইভে আসলাম কারণ অনেক দিন আপনাদের সাথে কথা হয় না। আমি আসলে কথার পাগল একটি মানুষ, কিন্তু কাজ এবং সময় আমার দুইটাই আমাকে আপনাদের থেকে আলাদা করে রাখে। জাস্ট আমি আজকে এসেছি আপনাদের সামনে কথা বলতে শুধু ভাষাগত শিক্ষার ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের নৈতিকতা এবং আদর্শিক চিন্তা চেতনার যে জায়গাটা রয়েছে সে জায়গা আমাদের কতটুকু অবদান আমরা রাখতে পারি সেটাই। আপনারা জানেন যে in the past of August 2021 the Myanmar junta expelled about 1.2 million Rohingya people from their country, from their homelands through the inhuman ethics and cleansing. Escaping the persecution, they finally took refuge in the Ukhiya and Teknaf on the border, Bangladesh, since the Rohingya have been staying in our country. What is the background on the history? Just we have to see in the some moment, and we will talk about the learning of English, the dancing of English, and also help us, you and me also, to increase our English language in every day. বাট আমরা ইংরেজির যে গতানুগতিক শিক্ষা থেকে বেরিয়ে এসে আমাদের পার্শ্ববর্তী দেশ আর কথা যারা যতগুলো চিন্তা করি, আপনি অন্যান্য দেশগুলো কিন্তু ইংলিশে অনেকটা তারা এক্সপার্ট, কিন্তু আমাদের দেশে আসলে ইংরেজি খুব খারাপভাবে শেখানো হয়। ছোট থেকেই তাদেরকে ইংরেজি শিক্ষা দেওয়া হয় না। বাংলা ভাষারও সেই একই রকম গতানুগতিক অবস্থা। সো উই উইল ট্রাই টু এক্সপ্লোর দ্য সাম টপিক. How can we really increase our literature and also English? Just exploring the something. আমরা কিছুটা সময় নিয়ে কথা বলবো, কারণ আপনি জানেন যে আমাদের দেশের অর্থনীতি, আমাদের দেশের সব কিছুতেই এক ধরনের ইংরেজি প্রভাব রয়েছে। তো সেই ইংরেজি জানার ক্ষেত্রেও আমাদের অনেকটা থাকতে হবে। So I have already discussed about the matter of this. What is the topic is coming today to discuss each and others. Just we will share the essential price are going to be high. So we will discuss today, if you want to go another city of this Bangladesh except Dhaka, if you go to Khulna or any kinds of the city, Rajshahi, Rangpur, you will get to expenses only 10 taka to lot of foods. But if you really expense the same taka, 10 taka in this Dhaka, you will not get a single piece, a single shingla or others. Just I have to mention here, because of that the essential price are dependent on the livelihood, on the life style and lifestyle. As I mentioned, everything is that if we are play the game of the English language, what will the benefit of you and me? The dance of language I have mentioned. Just we'll example some example like that. The first person is saying that the essential price are going to be high. Okay, it's also high. The second person are also describing this thing. The essential price are soaring. It's also high. The third person are also describing the essential price hitting of the roof. It's also high. The fourth person also saying the same sentence, the essential price are skyrocketing. It's also same the high price. The fifth person also said the same sentence, the essential price is increasing day by day. It also high. The sixth person also say the essential price are shooting in the roof. It's also high. So this is the dance of language. If you learn, how do you remember the English word, how to use it? Like I can say you the amicable, it's the best friend, it's the best person. That means amicable. So you can say my friends Ashok is my amicable, my brother is very amicable, is very close to me. So this is the dance of language. So if you want to play the status of you. If you want to play the game, you should to tackle everything. This is the system. This is the system for playing the game. This is the system for acquiring something. I just want to. Actually, I am not convinced here to. So I am not come here to convince everybody, but I can inspire by you if you see and comments to my video. So thank you very much everybody to see my video and also supporting me. Thank you.